What's happening, sports fans? How you doing? I am Kendrick, the sports guy. Good Monday to you, and we're talking women's college basketball, and a scary scene happened on Sunday afternoon to reigning National Player of the Year, Iowa's Caitlin Clark. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. The number 2 ranked Iowa Lady Hawkeyes were visiting one of their Big Ten rivals, Ohio State, on Sunday afternoon, and after the big upset win by Ohio State, Ohio State fans would storm the court, gather at half court. Caitlin Clark and her teammates were trying to get off the court, and she would collide with one of the fans and would fall to the floor, grimacing in pain. Now, her teammates would run to her to see how and make sure she's okay. Security would run to her. They would help her up, get her off the floor. While she was in the tunnel leading to the team's dressing room, she would bend over and you could see her grimacing in pain. But she would be able to do her post-game press conference, and she would tell her reporters that she was okay, that she just had the wind knocked out of her. But this was kind of scary, and she said that this could have been worse. And so that begs the question: we got to put a stop to these college students storming courts, storming fields. Somebody's going to get hurt. Obviously, this could have been worse, but we see that a lot in college athletics where, an upset win or a team wins and the opposing team their fans just jump on the court. No control whatsoever. So this could have been a whole lot worse than it turned out. Again, in my opinion, school administration, the conference is going to have to address that students should not be allowed to storm the courts or the fields. We had a situation that happened at Texas Tech a couple of years ago, matter of fact, where the students stormed the field and got into it with a opposing player. I think it was Texas and Texas Tech, if I'm not mistaken. It was that big rivalry game. And there was an issue between a Texas Tech fan and a Texas Longhorn football player. And you know why? And how did this happen? Because the students stormed the field. Now, I do know the Big 12 does have something in place where if something happens like that, then the school will be fined. I do know that they're not allowing students to storm the field as far as in football. That's the Big 12 conference. As far as the Big 10 conference, I don't know what their deal is. But again, this happened Sunday afternoon. This could have been a whole lot worse than it turned out. And you got to put the safety of these athletes first, and then you have to put the safety of these fans as well, because anything can happen when you storm courts or storm football fields. So I'd like to know what you guys think about this situation. Caitlin Clark running into a Ohio State fan and almost got knocked out. So leave your thoughts below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, and talk to me. Tell me what you think about it. I am Kendrick, the sports guy. We will see you on the other side, and on the next report, I am out. Peace.